Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to use Pinterest Watch. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, you'll find two tabs at the top, Browse and Watch. The Browse tab is like Pinterest's traditional feed, where there are images and videos you can scroll through. Whereas the watch allows you to watch full screen videos as you're watching on TikTok or Instagram. And of course, you can scroll through videos as in the traditional way. You can pause the video by tap on this option. You can also like the video and also share it wherever you want. Adding to that, you can add a comment. Also, you can save it. If you want to follow the account, tap on follow. And once you tap here, you'll find different posts of that account. And this is it. This is how to use Pinterest Watch. Thanks for watching. See ya!